Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present to you the new chapter of Perfect Heroine Wants to Possess Me, chapter 99. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Jishao and Wei Xingyu. Yutong, Uncle Ding is looking for you. It seems that the kid, she was really fond of Jishao. That's why she don't want to separate from her. He said that if you sneak out again and don't practice calligraphy, your sweet-scented osmanthus cake will be deducted at night. Oh, the kid, it seems that she seems to be terrified hearing news from Wei Xingyu at this moment. Then, I'm going back. Finally, the kid. They really relieved them alone. Goodbye, brothers and sister. Finally, Wei Xingyu. She feel relieved, that's why she was acting like a child back then. With the conversation, Mr. Ding goes smoothly. Jin Nanfeng is asking Wei Xingyu. Jin Nanfeng lay down, and she was sitting in front of them. Well, Mr. Ding has decided to hand over his shares to us. Just that if Uncle G's concerns come to mind, I'm afraid Nanfeng will take over. No problem, I'll prepare these materials. Oh, Jin Nanfeng, right now. He was really good person. He was really willing to help them at all costs. Yay, vacation is over and time to get back to work. Right now, Jishao seems to be exhausted on the things happen. That's why she seems to be lazy. Suddenly, she was holding a flower, but Wei Xingyu's come to her and take it away. Well, Jishao, she seems to be surprised. Right now, Wei Xingyu is holding the flower. She was calling her name. Jishao. Wei Xingyu moved closer to Jishao. Don't touch others' little girls casually in the future. Oh, it turns out she really wants to knock her, especially right now. She seems to be a little jealous. Well, let us say, she is really jealous. No, it was because he had some sweet-scented osmasticus on her head and she asked me to help it remove it. Now, looking at it, she hears it. Facing you, looking at her, seems to be angry. Well, Jishao, she really can see that the kid is taking her advantage. But you let someone touch you at the banquet before. Oh, the two of them. Now, they teasing each other, it seems that Jin Nanfeng was there, someone. How about I leave? Well, Jin Nanfeng, she knows that she's the one they're talking about. Right now, facing you, I didn't have a girlfriend at that time. Oh, she really said the word girlfriend. Well, it really makes sense right now. Is she really trying to possess Shishao? Well, Shishao answered her and said to her, me neither. Oh, this two girl. They're really shy to each other, but right now, facing you said, I am not. Well, hearing this, Shishao, she was really blushing. Although right now, facing you, she really become vocal. Day by day, she will really express her feelings towards Shishao. I am not your girlfriend right now. Facing is asking Shishao. Well, looking at Shishao, she was really blushing. She answered her, yes, of course, you are. Well, hearing this, right now, facing you, she seems to be surprised. Well, she's the one who's asking her. She really gets shy. I wanted to tease Jishao, but why did she suddenly become so direct? Now, it really makes sense. She was really shy to herself. Well, at this moment, well, I have something to do and I'm going back to my room first. I don't want to waste Jishao. Well, the two of them is really cute. Also Jishao. The two of them look back at each other. Now, Jishao, she want to escape also. Well, hearing the conversation of the two girls. Why? Well, Jin Nanfeng, she will be left alone on the room. A few days later, it seems that everything is going smooth. After talking to Mr. Ding, it seems that there's no problem. They get a lot of shares now. and a little bit worried, but Wei Xingyu can manage it. This way, all the shareholders will attend today's shareholders meeting. Turns out, after a few days, she's going to the company to manage it since she was already 18 years old. Here are the relevant documents. Please take a look. Right now, Wei Xingyu and the secretary is going to enter the building. Well, I watched it last night and there was nothing wrong with it, Wei Xingyu said to the secretary. Now, they reached the end of the floor. Wei Xingyu is going to enter on the meeting room. She pushed forward the door. Pushing forward the door, it really makes sense. Jisha was there and she was greeting her. Wei Xingyu. Oh, looking at these two young girls. Now, they looked really professional. Also smart. Wei Xingyu, seeing Jisha, of course. She seems to be happy. Why, you? Well, suddenly Jisha appearing, of course. It really makes her happy. Don't be nervous. Just say what you want to say today, and no one will gonna stop you. Wei Xingyu, after greeted by Jisha, now they really come to the room. And looking at them, they really look smart. Young couple. Now, there's a lot of things need to face in the future. At least the two of them are trying to be. Wants to learn a lot of things, so they have a bright future. By the way, Wei Xingyu, Jisha was calling her. Wei Xingyu looked back and said, Jisha, she was really standing there. Looking at her. I'm always by your side. Oh, this girl. She was really sweet. She's trying to calm down Wei Xingyu. Of course, it must be. She must be really confused. Also, she feel nervous. Well, suddenly, Wei Xingyu. She pushed Jisha away. Well, looking at the two, Jisha, she want to move closer. Asking Wei Xingyu, what's wrong? Looking at Wei Xingyu, she was really blushing. Well, you stained my lipstick. Well, this girl, they're really crazy. Crazy in love with each other. They're both young and being possessive towards each other. But, Wei Xingyu, as a compensation, I will give you all my luck today. Oh, now. She really gets weak. Wei Xingyu moved closer to Jisha, and now, what is she going to do? She's going to kiss her back. Well, she was really sweet girl. And it was right. And she moved closer to Jisha just to kiss her. A little bit funny, like give and take situation. Well, Wei Xingyu said to Jisha, our luck is half. Oh, this girl, now she know how to coax people. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comment and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Bye!